Hey party people, we're going to be installing a garage door strut on this 15-foot, 6-inch wide by 7-foot tall sagging garage door, which means we're going to have to cut the strut in order to accommodate that width. So we're going to provide you some pro tips on how to do that. Let's party. So the first thing you want to do is measure your garage door before cutting your garage door strut. And what I usually like to do is cut my garage door strut anywhere from a 3/4 to a maximum of 1/2 inch on one side. That way the garage door strut is not rubbing up along the tracks. So one of the things that I like to do is install the garage door strut along the hinges. I take off the screws that are on the hinges, and then I utilize these self-tapping screws to install the new strut. To make this process easy, what I like to do is install the strut on one side of the door and then screw the other side, because it allows me to easily put in the middle screws without having to sustain or hold the strut. Now, to add a little bit more rigidity to that strut, you want to add at least 2 to 3 more tap screws so that way it's secured along the door. Now at this point you want to make any adjustments to your garage door balance. Additionally, you want to make any adjustments to your garage door opener motor travel distance and force sensitivity. Now the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in this video should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Well, because I'm nobody, but at the same time, it's important for you to understand your garage door needs and your garage door circumstances. Thus, if you don't care to know those things, if you don't care to know how to cut your garage door strut, or how to measure your garage door, or how to adjust your garage door opener motor, then reach out to a contractor, because that's what we're there for. Last but not least, party people, when making adjustments to your garage door system, that is cutting a garage door strut or working on your garage door motor, you always want to have your personal protective equipment, your PPE, because these things will keep you safe along the process. Now, cutting garage door struts is one thing, but knowing how to avoid the common mistakes when utilizing garage door struts, well, that's another. So if you're interested in seeing that video, you can check that out right here. I want to thank you all for partying with me, and as always, y'all stay safe.